Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix green screen whenever you're going to play any video in your web browser, any website. So let's take a look how to fix that issue. For that I am going to share with you 3 steps to fix that issue. In your Google Chrome browser, if you have that issue, you can go this here dot icon and then click on settings. Here come all the way down and then click on advanced and then go on system. Here you will find use hardware acceleration when available. Make it turn it off and then click on relaunch, and after that it will relaunch. And the second step is go on your web browser and then type here Adobe Flash Player. So click this Adobe Flash Player and then you will get this message. Simply click on allow and then again click here and then it will open. I don't know, somehow some cases here you have to install this. I'm not want those software, so I'm going to click just uncheck those, and I only need Adobe Flash Player, so I'm going to click Adobe Flash Player. So for that I'm going to click on install now, and it will automatically download and install in my computer. The third thing is you go on this PC and then click on manage and then click on device manager and make sure that your graphic card is up to date. For that, in display adapter you will find your graphic card, and here click on update driver and it will fix if there is any latest driver for your graphic card. So this is how you can fix your computer whenever you're going to play any video in any web browser. It will fix those issues when it will appear before green. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.